I push it up, and what brings it down? Gravity. So a push makes it go up. Gravity, instead of pushing it, I'm going to use electricity. This electricity came from a battery. That battery came from the sun that made coal that we burned, that turned a turbine and transferred it to electricity. It should stay up. Let's find out. That is pretty cool. This next part, though, is weird science. Are you ready? Here we go. Ready? Weird science. Why won't it fall? Nothing's underneath it. Wait. I have a question. You understood why it stayed up from the push underneath it, but why did it stay up when it went sideways? That is so weird. Any ideas?
Air was pushing it up.
But air was not pushing it up, air was pushing it sideways. Why didn't it fall? It has something to do with Daniel Bernoulli. Remember the air going around it really fast?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to try something. I think I can do this. Would you like to try something I've never done before? Okay. All right. You have to hold your noise, because I've never done this before, but I think I can figure it out. I don't want a lot of air.
You want it here? You want less air.
I want some air. Here we go. Okay, even this is too much air, but I'm going to try to make air go around this, and we'll see what happens. Ready? That is cool. That is cool. Now, that is cool. And if I give it more air, right now, gravity wants to pull it down, but Bernoulli and another weird word called the Kawanda effect. Let's go, here we go. Here's some more. Here's some more. Amazing science!